Bye-bye to your papa na. Say bye-bye. Ingat. Say ingat. Papa going to later already. So, ayan na siya guys, oh. Kain lang kami sa Jollibee. So, hindi na kami lumabas. Wala na kami ng oras. Dahil nga, itong si Jess nakatulog. Okay, we going. Nakatulog siya ng mga halos more than 2 hours. Nagising siya. So, itong isa, naligo ng napakatagal. So, wala na. Magsi-7 na. So, hindi na kami lalabas puntang mall. Kain lang kami sa Jollibee. Then, lalayas na siya. Alis na siya. Say bye-bye na to, Papa. Bye-bye! We don't know when we gonna see you again. So, mauna na siya pauwi ng India, guys. Ayan siya. So, malungkot, syempre. Pero ganun talaga. Kailangan niya na kasi bumili, guys. So, hindi niya na ma-postpone yung pag-alis. Yes, anak. You have to wait. Okay? Let's go na. Let's eat. Jollibee. Jolly. Jaska, Jolly. So, magstay kami ni Jess hanggang bukas dito. Check out namin is alas 12. So, ang flight ni Mr. is alauna media yata o alauna ng madaling araw. So, ihatid namin siya sa airport. Okay. Ayan si Jess, oh. Say bye-bye na. Tayak dito. Tayak dito lang ako buang naman. Chalo! So, kain mo namin sa Jollibee, guys, kasi yun yung request niya. Let's go na. Say, chalo, Papa. Let's eat. Let's go eat Jollibee. So, ayan, naiyak din tuloy ako at umiiyak kasi siya. Napuang-wang ko si Jalo. Sabi niya, hindi siya iiyak. So, hindi pa nga siya alis, umiiyak na. Parang buang. Ayun siya, guys. So, look at her na! Let's go na. No more time. You only have 2 hours left. Don't go. Go na. Let's go na. Let's eat na. So, punta na kami sa Jollibee. Sa ano lang, guys. Diyan lang sa babae. Hindi na kami magmumul. Are we going to mall pa? Or no need na? Say! Mommy! You need shoes or what? So, ayan. Punta daw kami sa mall. Lala, Papa. Lala, Papa. Lala, Papa. Don't cry, Papa. We will see you soon. At sala na, Papa. See, just excited na. Let's go na. Let's go. So, last request ni Indiano. Jollibee. Parang bata lang. Mas gusto niya ang Jollibee.
You see that?
Sa lahat ng ano.
Token here is different than there. Like, you see that? It's gonna buzz once our order number comes. In India, number just flashes, you know, like flashes. You go.
Before it was like that.
Like there's a code there, and before it was like that.
But now it's upgraded. Nag-upgrade ang Pinas, guys.
You see that? Upgraded. Hey, din your that's it. Your
wait, Gulo. I'll talk for a while. So, punta sana kami ng Trinoma, no? Pero nawaubusan kami ng time. Baka mag-ahol kami sa oras. So, ayan. Dito na lang kami sa malapit. Malapit lang ito sa aming hotel, guys. Ayan si Jess. Si Jollibee, baby. Hello, Jollibee. Say hello.
Hello. Out that Jollibee comes. Where is his by the way? All. I just missed it.
Ayan, so mga alas 9 bago kami bumalik siguro sa ano, magbubook na ako ng ano, ng Grab para papuntang airport.
Show around, you know, like how the place is, like it's just normal here and
it's more good that we went here because if in mall it will be much crowded, right? So much lane.
yeah, it will take so much time in mall to go there, to go back.
And so, ano guys, mga 8:30 siguro magbubook na ako or before 9, magbubook ako ng Grab, no? Papuntang airport. Ihatid namin si Mister. So, see you in 3 months. Walang ano Si Jazz, hindi siya aware na alis ng papa niya ngayon. Mom, you have mom here.
Papa going today, bye-bye.
Just Papa going today. Papa will ride airplane today. Do you know that? Is it okay? Papa go first.
Then just come later, huh?
No crying, okay?
He won't also, he will barely notice. Are you gonna go to work?
Book tomorrow after check out. Si Jo asking me to check out early, but maybe we will wait. That
No,
time.
just go.
Wala na Indiano yung order namin. Where's the price at? Just can eat also,
Huh?
You had it all? You want ice cream? Just will it ice cream, okay? This is just ice cream.
What's that?
So, kain na si Indiano.
No, that.
It's pineapple.
That, can I have that?
Pineapple?
Pineapple. It's okay.
You have to eat that. You won't eat ice cream if you won't eat fries. You eat also. Mommy eat daw. You have to eat this anak also. Then ice cream, okay? Sige na. Ang gam-gam eh. Kain tayo.
Isn't the quantity?
Enjoy your last Jollibee.
Yeah, but isn't it less?
It's just half.
Jollibee in Malaysia also.
Acha.
Yeah. Because that's what we ate there, right? So that's kind of good there. And
Kain daw siya ulit ng Jollibee sa Malaysia kasi nga your arrival in Malaysia is 5 a.m. right? 5 a.m. Like 5:30 I think.
thing is, I don't have meal in this flight.
No? Then you eat dinner already.
Huh?
You eat dinner already so it's okay. You just sleep.
Yeah, that's fine.
Ayan. So, wala siyang pagkain sa airplane. Just, So, ayan. Kain muna kami. Kainin ko rin si Jazz. So, kumakain si Jazz ng rice, tsaka itong burger steak. Kumakain siya. And with ice cream. Si ice cream baby.
You know, like 2 people can eat at like, let's say 500
400.
enough for 2 people.
Not even 500 though.
Sometimes it depends on order. Sometimes even 300 can be enough for 2 people. But that's 500 in rupees. 250. Even there it can, but in that amount, their
So less.
food is less and different, like so, But this kind of what we eating now, it will be like 1K or more there, and that's.
Happy naman ako at kumakain si Jess ng rice. That's my rice.
And that's my
Put it there.
spaghetti.
Ayan na, nabitin siya sa spaghetti niya. Ayan, nag-order siya. Kalahati lang kasi yun eh. Kasi spaghetti lang kinain niya, tsaka yung kanyang burger.
I love spaghetti.
I think we can drink coffee once we return, right? Before. We can still drink na.
But I'm full. Almost like.
Enjoy your spaghetti. Ayan si Jazz, enjoy nga rin ang kanyang ice
That's my
cream.
dinner also.
This is our dinner already.
Even you?
Ha?
Really? You will eat after return.
No? We will sleep straightly. Anda, okay. Ha?
आपके 2:30 बजे मैं मुझे क्या बोलूँगा रात के 2:30 बजे
Ayan, tapos na kami. And si Jess, aburido na naman. So, alis na kami guys. Para may time pa kaming mag-usap sa aming kwarto.
ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं होगा मेरे पास मैं पहले उतार